bracelet on. It belongs to New Jersey now, Rich. It's fine. Yeah, that's it.
Robbie, you put the ass in assassination attempt.
It was a good try, folks.
I was like, hey, what just happened?
You can blame that on Ruth Connell. She gave you that bracelet.
Ruth has never given me anything. Ruth.
It'd be great if you had stuck your hand out and it got right on you. And that would have been a move.
And then our superpowers would have ignited and we would have shot to the sky. Ladies and gentlemen, good people of New Jersey and you people, Rob Benedict's in the house. Rob Benedict, Robbo Benedict, Robbo Bobbo Bobbo, Robbie Bobby, Ribby Bibby, Rip Diddly Diddly Bibby, Billy Buddy Billy Buddy Billy Buddy Robo.
As I'm known by my mother, who calls me.
Riddly Rambo, Biddly Bambo, Riddly Bambo, Biddle Bo. Riddly Rhubarb. Bing Bang Bubba.
Big Bobo.
Bimbo Popo.
Big Bo Papa.
And of course, in New Orleans, Robert Beignet.
It's the French.
I just love you waiting for it. You're like, all right, yes. Robbie Beignet. Ah, Robbie.
You forgot my Italian pronunciation of my name.
Robo bene. Molto robo bene. Robo molto bene. Molto bene.
That, for the like one Italian in the audience who go, oh, how was it?
I don't know